Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the VIN and Uconnect software version in your vehicle. That tells you which map package to get. Next, format a 1664 GB USB as FAT32 and label it if needed so the radio recognizes it. Once done, download the exact Uconnect map file to your computer or ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection in the car. This avoids mismatches. Make sure the USB is empty, except for the update files, so the system installs cleanly without errors. You copy the downloaded map files directly to the USB root without renaming anything because Uconnect checks exact file names. Once the transfer completes, safely eject the drive, then insert it into the car with the ignition in accessory or run position so the radio gets power. After a short scan, follow the on-screen prompts to begin installation. This process can take 20 to 45 minutes, and the system may reboot. Stay with the vehicle and avoid interrupting power to prevent corrupting the update. You complete the process by verifying the new map version in settings after the unit reboots. That confirms success. If the update fails, first remove the USB, reformat it to FAT32, recopy the exact files, and try again because corrupted transfers are the most common issue. Once done, make sure cache is clear by performing a radio reset if available. If problems persist, record any error codes and contact your dealer or Uconnect support. Having the VIN and error text speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.